All right, your very last problem. This says, how much longer is the pencil than the train? You can write a number sentence to help you. So you've got to figure out how much longer your pencil is than the train. Some of you might be able to figure that out by looking at your cubes, but here's what I'm going to tell you to do. Or to help write a number sentence, you take the longer item and you minus the shorter item. So you look at which one is longer in order to write your number sentence. You look at which one is longer and you can do that number minus the number that is smaller or the shorter item, okay? So that's going to help you. Make sure you tell me how much longer the pencil is than the train. And remember, you can't just write a number. I need you to tell me blank centimeters. I need to know exactly what you're talking about, okay? So don't just write a number. Tell me the number and then write centimeters. I'm only going to write a few letters because it's all over the paper for you. It's here, and it's here. All right, tell me how much longer the pencil is than the train.